Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious crispy yam chips. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first thing I'll be doing is to peel the yam. As you guys can see, I'm done peeling the yams. I'll be washing the yam. After washing, I'll be cutting it into two. And with a slicer, I'll be slicing the yam. So make sure you use a slicer to give you a thin slices, alright? To give you that crispy. Hope you guys are seeing this. This will give you a crispy yam chips. Crispy and delicious. I'm done with slicing the yam. Hope you guys are seeing the slices, and as you guys can see, I'm salting the yam and as well mixing. So I've heated up the oil and I've added onion for flavor, and I'll be putting the yam slices one by one to avoid it from sticking together. So once the bubble stops forming, it means it's ready. So transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. So when the oil stops forming bubbles, it means the yam chips is okay. Repeat the same process until you exhaust your yam slices. This is ready. Guys, our crispy yam chips is ready. As you guys can see, it's as easy as anything easy you can think of. Alright, please make sure you try this recipe out. Like I said, make sure you use plantain slicer or any kind of slicer that will give you a thin slices, alright, that will make it crispy and delicious. Wow, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye, have a lovely day.